Hello and marhaba, Nezha here. In this video, we are going to learn how Muslims, whether they're religious or not, say hello. And that translates into peace be upon you. Now, let's take a look on how we say it in modern standard Arabic. So let's read it together. We have an alif with fatha, so that's a. And then the lam here is silent. And the reason for that is because the definite article here is a sun article, and that's why we don't pronounce the lam. Then we have the first letter here, sin, with shadda and fatha. So the sin with shadda and fatha is pronounced sa. And it does have a shadda because, again, this is a sun article, and that's why we double the first letter, which is here sin. Now, in order to learn about the definite articles, sun and moon articles, please refer to my first course. I have explained it there in details. Now, let's take a look at the next letter, and that is lam. So, la. Then we have here an alif. And notice that the alif is not at the end of the lam. It goes inside the lam. So far we have a, sa, la, and then we have a little space here, and then the mim with damma. So how would we pronounce the whole thing? As-salamu. And then the next word, it starts with ayn with fatha, so that's a, lam with fatha, la, and then ya with sukun, y, kaf with dhamma, ku, and then the mim with sukun, m. So let's read the whole thing together. As-salamu alaykum. Again, as-salamu alaykum. Now let's read it here. So we have a, and then the L is silent, and that's because this is called sun article. And then we have the S doubled, again because it's a sun article here. So we double the first letter of the word. And then sa, la, mu, as-salamu. And then the next word starts with the number 3. And the number 3 here is to represent the sound or the letter ayn that does not exist in the English alphabet. However, English speakers can make that sound. So let's say this is a sound with an a, la, y, kum, alaykum. So let's read the whole thing together. As-salamu alaykum. Now, the meaning of Assalamu alaikum is peace be upon you. However, in Arabic, we say the peace upon you. And I put them in different colors so you can see where the word starts when it ends. So again, the peace upon you. Again here, the peace upon you. And notice that we are not using the verb to be. So we just say the peace upon you. And we use the instead of just peace be upon you. So we kind of even. This one, the Arabic version has 1, 2, 3, 4. And the English version has 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, in spoken modern standard Arabic, we could use the exact same thing, which is As-salamu alaykum. As-salamu alaykum. Or in some countries, they even drop the alif here. So they drop the alif and the lam. So it becomes just salamu alaykum. Salamu alaykum. And again here, we drop in the e sound and the l, and we have just salamu alaykum. Again, salamu alaykum. And that's the peace upon you. even though we don't pronounce the A and the L, but we still have the S doubled. So which means that there is a sun article here, and that's because the sin, the S, is a sun letter. So to learn more about sun articles and moon articles and when to use them, please refer to my first course on how to write, read, and pronounce Arabic, whether it's in formal or in dialect. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video for more Arabic.